Yes! Ayan. Nandito na naman ang Family B. Bumabati sa isa na namang may birthday sa Whitey World. Ma'am Shipe! Happy birthday, Ma'am Shipe. Always good health. Ayan. And lagi kang mag-iingat. And enjoy lang sa araw-araw mong live streaming. Happy lang! Happy birthday, Ma'am Shipe! Love! Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Yun lang. Back to you, Master D.
Annalisa.
Ayan, kay Ma'am Shift. Hey, baby girl. Ayan, Ma'am Shift, happy birthday. Ayan, nandito ang Family B na bumabati sa iyo ng happiest birthday. Sana mag-enjoy ka sa araw na ito. At saka, God bless you always. Ingat ka lagi. Yan lang, Ma'am Shift. Thank you so much sa lahat ng suporta sa aking channel. And sana nga, yan, good health. At saka, more blessings to come. Happy birthday, Ma'am Shife! Yan na. Happy birthday! Ayan, ingat, Ma'am Shife! Love!
Ayan, Angel Mamshi. Mula sa yung Family V. Ayan, kami bumabati ng isang masayang kaarawan. Happy birthday, Angel Mamshi. Ayan, more birthdays to come. At ingat ka palagi. Ayan, enjoy ka lang lagi. At we love you from your Family B. Angel Mamshi, happy birthday. We love you.
And once again, at isa na naman sa Family B ang magbe-birthday. Happy birthday! Ma'am Shipe! Happy birthday sa iyo. At sa mga panahon darating, ngayon at sa pag-ingatan ka ng Panginoon at ang biyaya ay sumaiyo. Pati na rin ang yung pinapangarap sa buhay ay sana ay unti-unti mo nang natutupad. Alam ko naman dito naman sa YT, nakakuha ka naman ng nakakuha mo naman ng mga gusto mo. Ayan, at nakakuha mo na nga yung mahigit pa sa 100 subscriber. At kami naman din ay hindi namin alam kung matutupad din namin yun. Pero happy birthday sa iyo. At hindi ko natatanungin kung ilang taon ka na. Pero sabihin mo na lang sa amin. Ha? Ayan. At ayan, at maraming salamat din sa mga suporta mo sa Family B. At sa amin. Ayan. You're always there pagka naglalag kami. Maraming salamat. Ayan, at maraming salamat sa mga nagsusuporta rin kay Ma'am Shipe. Ayan, sa inyo mga nakikinig dyan at nanonood. At maraming salamat sa inyo, sa inyong suporta sa ating Ma'am Shipe. Ayan, at and once again, this is Paul Duniasa Official. We greet you a happiest birthday on today. Maraming salamat, Ma'am Sipe. Ayan na. Happy birthday!
Yes, happy birthday, Ma'am Shifi!
Happy birthday, Angel Momshi!
Happy birthday to you! Ayan, nagdiwang ka hanggang gusto mo, Ma'am Shifi.
Enjoy.
Ayan, Angel Momshi!
Love!
Still young at heart!
And this greetings will end in 3, in 2, in 1.
Hi, this is Almar, music lover. Happy birthday to Ma'am Shifi, ang aking mami sa Waiti. May every second be filled with delight and happiness. May God shower all the blessings. Happy birthday, Mami. Stay sexy, stay healthy, and God bless you and more powers. And bye-bye.
Marife, may your birthday be the beginning of the best years of your life. The kindness and the positivity that you radiate may come back to you in tenfold. Happy birthday, Marife. And for that special day, have fun, be happy, stay strong, and enjoy life to the fullest, my friend. And I hope that this day brings you nothing but joy and much love from those closest to you. Once again, happy birthday, Marife. Thank you.
Guys, nandito na naman tayo ay may babatiin tayo na special na tao at napakagandang tao sa buong mundo, ang aking mami, ang Ma'am Shife. Ayan, happy birthday, mami. Ayan, sana po mag-enjoy ka po sa birthday mo ngayong araw na to, at sana po bigyan ka pa po ni Lord ng maraming birthday, at sana po huwag ka po magbabago sa aming mga anak mo. Ayan, happy birthday po ulit, mami. I love you.
Hello, Ma'am Ste. Nandito ako para bumati sa iyo ng maligayang kaarawan. Sana marami pang birthday ang dumating sa iyong buhay. Habang tayo'y malakas pa at nandito pa, enjoy lang. Kaya para sa iyo, happy birthday. Kahit ako'y nasa labas, pinilit kong makagawa ng video para may parating lang sa iyo ang aking pagbati ng maligayang kaarawan. Happy birthday, Ma'am Shipe. Okay, thank you.
Hi, Ma'am Shipe. Yes, at dahil birthday mo na, ayan, we wish you a happy birthday, Ma'am Shipe. Ayan. And una sa lahat, syempre, wish ko good health for you, more blessing to come, more birthday to come, and mas lumago pa yung YouTube channel mo. Ayan. Thank you so much for the friendship. Ayan. Alam ko naman lagi ka nandyan. Isang message ko lang, syempre. Basta yun lang, Ma'am Shipe. Thank you. At sa lagi mong support, kahit anong mangyari, alam ko nandiyan ka lang. Wish you more birthday to come and enjoy. Ayan. Enjoy lang. Laging smile. Thank you so much. And God bless you and your family. Happy birthday. Love you.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Shife.
We love you from Karnasa Creations.
Happy holidays.
Happy holiday, everyone.
Hello guys. Happy New Year to everyone. This is Kain Love Official. I'm so thankful na isa ako sa invited na bumati kay Ma'am Shife sa kanyang kaarawan. Thank you, Sisi Kagala, for inviting me. Ma'am Shife, binabati kita ng happy birthday. More birthdays to come. More candles to blow. Ayan. I'm so happy to meet you in the Whitey world. At sana'y magkaroon ka pa ng maraming kaibigan. At magkaroon ka pa ng maraming subscribers. Ayan. Ma'am Shife, I'm so happy na meet ko kayo sa YT. You are so very beautiful. Ayan, smiling face. Ayan. You are so humble sa lahat po ng yung viewers. Nakikita ko po yan, Ma'am Shife. Ayan. So, thank you once again. And this is for you. Kahit wala siyang punto. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord, may the good Lord, may the good Lord bless you. Sa iyo ang pagkain, kami ang kakain. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Sana'y masaya tayong lahat. Ayan, once again, happy birthday, Ma'am Shife. Thank you.
Hello everybody. This is Kuya Ray Vlogs and dito ako sa kusina. Kararating lang ng bahay. At thank you pala Ma'am Shi for giving me this opportunity to greet you a happy birthday, and may all your wishes, prayers come true. At sa mga nanonood po nito, alam ko na saglit guys, nagkakanaw akong kape. Alam ko na we love Ma'am Shife. Diba? Kasi never a dull moment na tatanungin niyo ako kung ano yung favorite ano ko kay Ma'am Shife. Marami. She's not only beautiful, very sweet, but a very good person po talaga. Sa mga dumadalo po sa kanyang LS, alam niyo po siya, masayahin, kumakanta. Even her co-host, diba, nag-enjoy. And even myself, pagka tumataas ako. So anyway, hindi ko na ito pahabain guys. At kape-kape, kararating lang ng trabaho. Umaga dito ngayon. And anyway, God bless Ma'am Shife. At finally, nakagawa rin ng video para po sa inyo, ha? And God bless you and all of your loved ones. Alright, and I'll see you around. Happy birthday. I'll see you. Bye-bye. Thank you everyone.
Ayan, hello po sa inyong lahat. Mega love shout out. Nandito po ako para bumati sa nagbe-birthday ngayon. Ayan, Ma'am Shife, happy birthday sa'yo. More birthdays to come. More blessings to come. Ayan, ipagpatuloy mo lang yung palagi mong masayahin. Lalo sa YT. Ayan. Thank you sa dahil isa din ako na in-invite mo para mag-greet sa birthday mo. Ayan. Maraming salamat Ma'am Shi. Mag-ingat lang palagi. Ayan. At sa ulit, happy birthday Ma'am Shife. Ingat. Happy birthday. Enjoy.
Hello, good afternoon, good morning to you. I just want to wish you a happy birthday. More blessings. Lagi kang mag-iingat. Okay? Make sure kumain ka sa tamang oras. Huwag magpagutom. Okay? Pag nagla-live ka, nakikita ka namin kumakain. Anyway, I wish you good things sa birthday mo. Okay? Enjoy. Take care. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Shife! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Anyway, thank you so much for your support all the time, friend. And I wish for many more subs and many more moolah to come. I cannot wait to meet you guys there in the Philippines. And It's just gonna be a fantastic. Anyway, happy birthday and enjoy.
Hey, this is G-Man from KRW, live on patrol. Wishing Faye the best birthday. Enjoy your day, Faye. Later.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday Monsife, happy birthday to you. Congratulations, happy birthday Monsife.
Ayan, good morning everyone. Good morning kasi alam ko morning to si Ma'am Shipe. Good morning, good morning sa lahat ng manonood ni Ma'am Shipe. Ayan. Nais ko lang bumati sa ating napakabatang Ma'am Shipe, diba? Bata yan Ma'am Shipe. Happy birthday Ma'am Shipe. Enjoy your day and God bless you always. Good health, lalo na sa mga edad na kagaya natin. Yun ang kailangan natin, good health. Meron lang tayong good health is okay na tayo no? Wala naman na tayong ibang hinihiling kundi good health lang, di ba? And enjoy your day. Salamat sa always pakikipagkita sa akin. Hindi ka nagsasawang mamit ako. Ayan, nakailang kita na ba tayo? Ay, natutuwa naman ako nakasama ka. Kakwentuhan. Masaya naman, kaya yun. See you next time ulit. May next time ulit yan sa 2025. Agahan natin. Para matagal ang kwentuhan, di ba? So, ayan. Happy birthday 2025 na nga pala pag ipinalabas mo to yun. Ayan. Happy birthday! Dibo mo na. Ayan ha, dibo mo ngayon kaya dapat mag-enjoy ka talaga. Anong kulay ba ang gown mo, Ma'am Shipe? Ma'am Shipe! Happy birthday! Enjoy your day! Bye!
Hello! Happy birthday, Ma'am Shipe! Take care always. See you in the live chat.